Hello. How to install a grass inner drawer Scala or one with a front glass and a side railing. Very easy. You need a standard drawer with the back and the bottom installed. Then you need the side gallery, the front adapter that will take the glass, the profile which will keep everything together, and the front glass itself, which is 8mm glass cut and no holes required. So to install the gallery, you just click it on. It's very easy. Then I take the adapter, move the adapter into the profile, into the given slots. It's pretty fast. It's easy too. Then take the glass and move it into the groove which is meant for that. Take the other side of the adapter. So we have the left and the right side, and I have my front ready. Now I just clip it onto the grass sides. That's also easy, and it gives you a distinct sound of click. There I have my front installed, and to make it all strong, I just move and install the front railing and move the cover cap to make my complete drawer ready. That's how easy it is. Thank you, Tariq Utturkar.